Hey, I'm Katelyn O'Friel and welcome back to another episode on my channel. Just in time for dinner, I thought it would be fun to do a tablescape for Easter. And I'm so excited to finally get to use these beautiful Easter plates that I purchased back in November. I am so thrilled to use these. I think they are so adorable and I cannot wait, so stay tuned. First things first, I'm going to clean with this 7th generation glass cleaner. Next up, I have this beautiful neutral colored vase with some ivory colored tulips, and I will be putting that right in the center. And then I have these cute little bunny rabbits. They're actually salt and pepper shakers. How adorable are these? I'm so obsessed. So I'm going to put them right here. Next up, we have this absolutely gorgeous plate that I'm so excited to be using. And I'm just gonna place that down. And then I have these cute little saucer plates that I will be putting on the side there. I'm also going to teach you how to make this little napkin look a little bit like a bunny. If you guys want to stay tuned and watch that, be sure to check it out.
Reaching out for sunbeams, grasping at the light, soaking in the warmth of peace beyond a fight. You have dreamt of walking, slowly taking time, figuring the knots out in this web of mine. I'm a pain, I know, tearing things to bits and pieces. Until you are whole again. Lay down your weapons, I'll do the same. Let us just for a minute lay off the stupid game. I'll be your safe house, I'll face your fears. Promise you will do better. Lay down your weapons, lay down your weapons, dear. Sun is setting fast now, soon we're out of light. Soon this might turn into yet another fight. Still, I think we've untied quite a few of these knots and tangled ribbons. Put our minds at ease. I'm a pain, I know,
So thank you so much for watching this video. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. My goal is to reach 515 subscribers and I'm almost there. So if you would subscribe, it would mean so much to me. See you next time. And I have so many more videos coming your way.